Hi, my name is Ivana Kazic and I am the Eve of All Around Eve, and this is my first video. No, not really. It's actually the first video of me sitting in front of this photo wall we made in my home especially for filming, and that was built like 3 years ago. So since All Around Eve's logo is a turban and glasses, and the only question I've been getting for the past 5-6 years or so has been, how do you do your turban? It's long overdue, but here is my turban tutorial with some tips. Let's wrap it. Okay, so I'll break it down for you from the beginning. The most important thing when wearing headgear, whichever the reason for it is, take care of the base, and that will be your hair. What I prefer to do with it really depends on the shape of the turban I'm going to do, but it's usually a very light bun right here that I actually achieve by clipping with this little thingies, and that means no elastics, no huge clips. Your hair should be really just slicked back and not at all tight. So if I'm wearing a turban for a longer period of time, I actually prefer to comb it the second day, the other way around, or place the bun lower or higher the next time. So if you're not doing a huge canal hump like this one, so that would be the area right here, and try to braid it, try to braid your hair and fix it with these. So right now I'm going to show you how to use your protective scarf. This is the scarf I'm wearing right now, and this can actually be the only scarf you're going to wear. I'm going to show you this on my doll Gretchen. So this really works either way, if you have long hair, short hair, even if you don't have hair. You worry about the friction, because if it works on her super smooth hat, it's going to work on yours. I'm actually using a regular scarf, square scarf here, but anything bigger than 90 centimeters per side would work. And first I'm going to fold it in half and make it into a triangle like this. Then I'm going to make one more crease to make it smaller, because it's a really big scarf. And then I'm going to place it on her hat. Okay, it's easier if you put the front in the front. And then I'm going to pretty much do this by memory, how I do it. See, it's kind of slippery because her hat is slippery, but yours won't be, don't worry. Okay, so what I'm going to do with this end right here is I'm going to put it behind. Now if you want to add some volume, add a scarf like this one, just roll it and tie it around your bun. I did this for me, and this is why I have this camel hump, and it actually makes a really smooth shape that is visible from the side and also from the front. This is why I have so much volume right here. You can stop right here, or you can actually add one more layer for a more polished look, which I usually do on a daily basis. Most of the time I use FREYWILLE's big square scarves that are the perfect size, are really the highest quality, and I might add beautiful. This one is from the collection Tribute to Claude Monet. What I did is I folded it in half and made a triangle like I did with the one before, the protective scarf. And I'm going to make one more crease just to make it just a bit smaller. The crease is actually 10 centimeters, nothing more. Okay, and now I'm going to place it over this one. Maybe this is going to take a bit of practice, but if you've placed the protective scarf comfortably, this one shouldn't make any problems for you. I'm just going to tie it around. Tie it behind my hat, and I'm going to fix it a bit. I usually do this without a mirror, but right now I'm going to use one, you know, for filming purposes. So this is how I style my everyday turban. Hope you find this helpful, and if you do share. Maybe we can assist another turbanista to wrap comfortably and beautifully. Bye bye.